What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Eastside RC. Guys, I've been super busy at work and I bought me a new Mustang and I've been having fun with that. So I haven't had a chance to do much RC work, but my screws came in for the monster truck and I did manage to get some installed. Look how nice they look on there. Very expensive hardware. So what I'm going to do is possibly put together a couple of kits labeled up and have a couple kits for sale of these stainless steel American quality screws for the monster truck. They are very nice. I got some examples set out here for you guys. You can see these long ones here. Nice deep cuts. There you go. Nice deep cuts on the screws. Very high quality screws. They grip the bits very nicely. Very nice screws. Yep. So getting that all buttoned up. Got this buttoned up over here, the axles. I'm waiting on the diff parts, guys. They got sent to Norfolk, Virginia. Way out of the way. So, oopsie on the post office behalf. So, yes, sir. I'm going to be getting those all squared away, guys. And hopefully having some screw kits if anybody's interested. I'll have these together. Some massive hardware. I changed out all the button heads, as you can see here, on the end. These were all button heads. They're all now cap heads. Everything is getting a cap head. I got one button head left right here because that needs a slash cut with the Dremel tool, fired with a torch, and then I can get her out of there. She's super tight. All right. Changed all the screws on the wheelie bar. Everything, every screw is getting changed to Stymie steel. Now, I'm going to show you guys, a subscriber had asked, how do you get out the stuck screws that are heavily stuck in the monster truck or any RC for that matter? So I'm going to show you guys how I do it best, all right? And what the method that works for me the fastest and the easiest. So let's get right at it. All right. You guys can use this type of torch. It will take forever. It's just not adequate enough heat for this size of billet. So what I like to use is MAPP gas. This is your best friend with the monster truck. These two screws right here are stuck. So how I'm going to get them out is just simply heat them up and bust them out with the impact gun. So let's get at it. You want to heat the part as well to expand the aluminum around the screw. You heat the screw about 10 seconds and then go ahead and try it. And out they come, son. Yes, and we got billet parts falling everywhere. And they're hot. All right, there you go. Simple as that. This drill, guys, is absolutely perfect for RC use. If you guys are interested, here is the model number right here. If you would like to get this drill. Absolutely excellent. Perfect for RC use. However, If you are on setting 3 and you're up in here in your button head bolt and you accidentally blip the trigger like that wide open, you will strip your button head right on out, son. So that's not good. So we need to get this loose. It was also extremely tight. I should have heated it first. All right, y'all, got us out here on the deck. We're gonna cut a little notch in this sucker. All right. That should be good. Now we'll take her back inside, throw some heat to it, and bust that sucker out of there. Fire! Fire! Speed chuck it. Impact it. Yeah. Get out of there, boy. All up in the... There we go, son. That's what I'm talking about. Safelite repair, Safelite replace. Tighten right. All right then, y'all. That's gonna do for this little short video because I want to go take a ride in my Mustang and go for a little cruise and get me a sun visor to keep the sun off my dash. All right, y'all. So hope you enjoyed the video, and that's how you get your screws loose and back tight and right. All right, y'all have a blessed one. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try and drop a little spirituality faith service later. Just a short word for y'all later tonight. All right. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch you on the next one. Eastside RC. Zout.